Hello everyone, I'm Dixon Silvan, and in this video I'm going to show how machine learning is used to predict the smell sensed using gas sensors. For this, I'm utilizing the AWS Machine Learning service. Let's get started. The data from the gas sensors are collected in Google Sheets. As you can see in front of me, we have values from MQ2 and MQ5 sensors. This is from the main unit, and M stands for the main unit. Similarly, we have another Google Sheet for the extra unit. The value from the Google Sheets are then manually processed and tagged under a particular smell name, as you can see in the Excel in the screen. If the value of MQ5 sensor and MQ2 sensor are received as these values, then the smell would be a mosquito coil. Similarly, if the values are these, then the smell would be a Park Avenue perfume. And a graphical representation of the sample data collected can be seen on the screen. If the values or combinations of these, then it's a mosquito coil, and if it is a combination of these, then it is normal, and if it is these, then it is a Park Avenue perfume. I have simplified the process of identifying the smell by categorizing it only to a normal environmental smell, the smell of a mosquito coil, and the smell of a perfume. This is then saved as a comma separated value in a .csv file. This is then saved with public access in the S3 storage service offered by AWS. I will leave a link for the dataset in the description below. The dataset or the data source is then used to build a machine learning model in the AWS Machine Learning portal. A completed machine learning model will have a page like this where you can try in real time and predict the smell. I have selected smell as the target here. So if you provide the value for MQ2 and MQ5, we'll get a prediction of the smell. So let's try it. So I'm giving a sample value from the dataset, and when I hit create prediction, it will give me the exact predicted value, which is a Park Avenue perfume, and this will be obtained as a JSON response. I will then use a web service to extract the predicted smell name and trigger Arduino MKR1000 accordingly. I'm now going to show a demo of the queue system for Anosmia. I will ask Alexa, how does it smell like? And Alexa will reply back with a smell name. Also, in the mobile app, you will have a visual cue about the smell. Alexa, how does that smell like?
Park Avenue perfume.
Alexa, how does that smell like?
Mosquito coil.
Alexa, scan the house for any danger.
Alert. There is something burning in the house.